Hey gardeners, yep, the week went quick, and wow, these tomatoes are growing quick, so let's just kind of go through and see what's happened this week. I know last week we talked about how this tent was really starting to take off, and boy, it sure has. Tomatoes just popping out everywhere. I'm actually going to defoliate this tent, kind of clean it out, some of the foliage, and I'll probably actually pop some of these tomatoes off. I don't want to grow too many at the same time. I'd rather have healthier fruit. The eggplant, beautiful. The pollen sacs are just now starting to open up, so we'll see whether it transitions into being fruit or not. I'm going to kind of just defoliate again so we allow light penetration down to these other bud sites. Like there's a flower down here, and if that flower is not getting adequate light, it's, you know, the fruit's just going to suffer. The peppers, holy smokes, they're blooming all over the place, and they're beautiful too. Oh, the pollen just spilled out of there. Watch this. All right, I'm gonna give this plant a little shake and just see if you can see the pollen falling out. Oh, you probably can't, but it is self-pollinating. It's beautiful. Look at these little flowers. Hard to zoom in that close. They're gorgeous. Here's a really pretty one over here. This has been so fun. They're kind of outgrowing this space, so next week I'm gonna have them in a 4x4 tent with a bigger light. So hope everyone kind of checks that out if you're interested. What we got over here? We just kind of nose around a little bit, see if there's anything new. And when you're looking at your plants, always look really closely. You want to make sure nothing's getting eaten on. For example, right here, somebody's been munching, but I don't know who it is. I can't find the little bastard. But maybe I'll have to use a little bit of, let's see what I have here. Right here. This cold pressed neem oil is great for eliminating any type of insects, and the beauty of it is it's organic. So I'm gonna hit them with that before I move them to the new location. The cayenne peppers over here, you know, they're going to be gorgeous against all that green foliage. That red cayenne pepper, when they start to fruit, it's going to be some fun photography. I got some crimson clover cover crop. It's just been fun to grow. And look at that. I might find a four-leaf clover in there, hiding way back there. Let's see if I can get over there. We'll just go sideways. I'm not sure what this is, but it's pretty. It's just a little wildflower growing randomly. It must have been in with the crimson clover. Holy shit, there's another one. Little wildflower. Anyway, I don't want to take up too much of y'all's time. Tomatoes are really taking off. I think everything seems to be doing really well. I'm probably going to do a neem oil application and see if we can eliminate the guy that's starting to, look, he's about chewed through that one. Maybe he's sleeping underneath with a full belly. I don't know. Next week we're going to be in a bigger tent, so let's grow this out and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.